Hey, Intro to Yearbook students. I just wanted to post a quick video kind of giving you an overview of this week to come. We are still in, you found this video, so obviously you know, but we are still in this white folder, weeks 2 and 3. We are going to hop into another folder this week as well, but I'll explain in just a minute. So you're in the Monday 9/21 update. So this week we're just going to finish up this folder. And then we will hop into this add materials folder this week as well. And there will be a video posted in there explaining more. So for this week, you're going to be taking your terms quizzes. Hopefully last week you were able to review the terms part 2. If not, definitely do that. It's just a media album with pictures and captions that you need to read through. And then you can take these terms quizzes at your leisure. This is not meant to be like a difficult quiz. This is just so we know that we are getting familiar with this yearbook jargon, okay? But those do need to be completed by the end of the week. I think I gave you 2 attempts. I didn't want to do any more than 2 attempts because you can obviously like use your notes and things like that. So 2 attempts at those. Lastly, ads will be last, but to kind of finish up just our introduction and things like that, I'm going to have you draw a pig. I'm not going to say much more than that. Draw a pig, click in there. There's a little bit of instruction, but not much, and there's a reason for that. And then you're going to upload a picture of your pig drawing to this media album called Pig Pics, and we will talk about this more on our live Google Meet on Thursday. That will be at 9:30 a.m. So it's kind of just a fun thing, getting to know each other, but that's kind of to finish up our introduction. And then hop in this add materials folder next, and I will give you a video introduction of what we do for ad sales.